Hi, good day. My special topic is all about induced spawning of elusive ludong or banak, Cestreus plicatilis, using varying concentrations of HCG and LHRH hormones. When we say ludong, it is an endemic fish and the best tasting and the most expensive fish that can be found only in Cagayan River. Also, it is known as banak or ludong, and this ludong is called president's fish, alluding to its rarity and high price valued, benefiting only very special persons like the president or such as the president. Some of the locals in Cagayan said that banak or ludong was called president's fish because ludong was the favorite food to be served for the visitors of the late President Ferdinand Marcos. And through the years, however, the population of ludong or the Cestreus plicatilis has declined due to unprecedented poaching, making the fish more elusive and expensive. So, Philippines is also a country where fishing is one of the major source of income for its citizens, which with a growing population and increasing of demand for marine products, many studies are conducted to aid the fishermen to increase their harvest and also their income. One particular process that emerged along with the development of technology is the use of the process of spawning. So when we say spawning, it refers to the external method of reproduction wherein the female fish releases unfertilized eggs into the water, and at the same time the male fish also releases sperm which fertilize these eggs. This process requires the use of chemical hormones. It is a quick process that yields to favorable results. The method has also been confirmed to be effective by the Limnological Research Station of the UP or the University of the Philippines, Los Baños, or the UPLB Limno, to save the decreasing population of a certain species like ludong. Also, this ludong is herbivorous, feeding only on the filamentous algae that lives on rock and boulders in the near river rapids, making it as Cagayan River favorable to its place. A mature fish, ludong, that weighs about 0.25 kilograms to 2 kilograms may cost about 6,000 pesos now, making it the most expensive fish in the country. This fish is known also for its unique taste and particular aroma when cooked. In fact, its unique taste makes it the most sought after ingredients in making the delicious dishes. The chemical hormones that includes here are the following. We have the HCG and LHRH hormones. When we say HCG or the human chorionic gonadotrophin hormone, it is a predominant active in pregnancy and a fetal development, or the and also the LHRH or the luteinizing hormone releasing hormone. It helps to regulate ovulation. Also, the route of this ludong, this elusive fish, is catandromous in nature, migrating to ocean for mating. This ludong migrates to salt water to spawn from October to December. This is the flood and typhoon season here in the Philippines. After spawning, this rare species of a mullet return to upstream ponds, and this ludong undergoes upstream migration during December, January, and February, which is coincident with what we call Ipon Run phenomenon. The Ipon Run phenomenon, it is a phenomenon it is an occurrence wherein the different species of fry fish undergoes an upstream migration. After that, the ludong, after the ludong has undergone downstream migration, it can be caught in Cagayan River and tributaries. Also, ludong is in danger of extinction if because of this irresponsible quarrying activities. As you can see in the map, yung Isabela Province and Cagayan Valley, dito pa lang sa Cagayan Valley, meron ng quarrying activities na nangyayari dito sa bandang Apari and goes upstream. Wherein the migratory of Ludong, a very expensive fish whose migration route can be affected because of sand extraction. And also, this research topic is also very timely because the DA or the Department of Agriculture Bureau of Fisheries Aquatic Resources works closely with fisherfolk, local government units, and other government agencies in implementing all conservation-related measures to save our Ludong. The BFAR or the Bureau of Fisheries Aquatic Resources Region 2 is also implementing what we call Oplan Sagip Ludong Project, or the OSLP, to save our endangered Philippine Ludong. This project is done in collaboration with the BFAR Region 1, CAR, we have also the Isabela State University, Zoological State of London, and the concerned provincial and municipal local government units, or the LGUs, which aims to provide information to be used to analyze demographic parameters in order to gain better understanding of the status of Ludong species. Also, articles are limited about this species, and none of them focuses on how to propagate this said species. About 3 or 4 only articles ang nandito. And wherein, none of them focuses on how to propagate the said species. The purpose of this study is to provide also what we call intervention to possibly breeding it, or the said Ludong, so that we can bring back a sustainable supply of Ludong in Cagayan Valley. So that would be all. That would be my special topic. So that would be all. Thank you.